Beer cracking 2024 Panini Prizm Baseball Mega 4-box eBay break. February 4th, 2025. I'm going to read off eBay usernames with team names. We got JVARGASJ with the Athletics, MIKASKE3 with the Rays, Joshman 44 with the Mariners, Nationals, and the Rangers. The Double Trucks with the Blue Jays, NSUKSIG 1981 with the Diamondbacks and the Braves. G Outdoor 8 with the Pirates, Padres, Yankees, and your Giants. All Let's Go with the Cardinals. N1CK underscore J4 MES with the Astros. K115 with the Reds. And we got first SC Calvary with the Royals. That is your full lineup. All right, guys, we've got our 4 boxes right here. 1, 2, 3, and 4. 2024. Panini Prizm Baseball Mega Box. Here we go, guys. Box number 1 coming at you. Plastic coming off. We do run through the base cards at a fairly steady pace. We do, of course, stop on all the hits. If there's any cards you want us to go back on, please holler in the chat. We'll be happy to do so. Let's get our packs out here. Empty box. All right, here we go. Pack number 1, box number 1. Good luck, everybody. Here we go. How about right out of the gate with a green Skeens? How about a green Prizm Skeens rookie right out of the gate for the Pirates? Right out of the gate with a Skeens green Prizm. Chase Hampton there, too. That is number 307 out of 399 there. It's an orange Pulsar there. Rhett Lauder, pink ice for the Reds. And Greg Maddux, pink ice there for the Braves as well. Right out of the gate, beautiful Skeens. Right out of the gate. Nice orange Pulsar there, too, on the Chase Hampton. Very nice. Pack number 2 here. Out of box number 1, we've got a Fireworks. Celestin there. Fireworks for the Mariners. Jackie Robinson. That's a silver there. Pink Ice, Tim Salmon, and a Caminero. Pink Ice rookie for the Rays. Pack number 3. Ellie there. Prismatic. Yerstad rookie. Prismatic. Yerstad there. Very nice for the Orioles. Mike Schmidt, silver there for the Phillies. Chuck Knobloch, pink ice there for your Twins. And a Tom Seaver, pink ice there as well. Probably with Junior there. Pack number 4. Pack number 4 here out of box number 1. We got a Colt Keith rookie for the Tigers. Nice Colt Keith. Silver, Chase DeLauder for the Guardians. Silver there. We've got a Gino Groover Fireworks. Orange Pulsar, too. That's numbered 143. 143 out of 399 there. There you go. Robbie Snelling. Pink ice there for the Padres. How about an Ellie? Pink Ice Ellie. Nice Pink Ice Ellie. And we have our auto is Mason Wynn. Sensational Signatures rookie auto Mason Wynn for the Cardinals. Very nice hit there, too. Nice Mason Wynn. Very nice Mason Wynn. Very nice Mason Wynn. Sensational Signatures rookie auto for the Cardinals. Very nice. Sharp hit there. Congrats to the Cardinals. We had your Fireworks orange Pulsar there, too. On the Gino Groover there for the Diamondbacks. Pack number 5. Pack number 5 here to box number 1. We got a silver. Jimmy Rollins for the Phillies. Silver. Another silver. Ryan Sandberg silver there as well. Pink ice, Eddie Murray for the Orioles, and a pink ice, Andre Dawson for the Marlins. All right, last pack here out of box number 1. Last pack here out of box number 1. Nice Yerstad rookie there for the Orioles. We got a hype, Tamar Johnson. Hype there for the Pirates. Silver, Melendez for the Diamondbacks. Pink ice, Ty Floyd for the Reds. And a Gary Sheffield pink ice there also. Pete Crow Armstrong rookie for your Cubbies. Nice Pete Crow Armstrong rookie there for the Cubbies. Box number 2. Box number 2 here. Plastic coming off. Get our packs out. Empty box. All right, here we go. Pack number 1, box and number 2. Here we go. A Bryce Matthews silver there for the Astros. Orange Pulsar, Jose Canseco for the A's. That is 268. At $3.99 there. Very nice Jose Canseco. Johan Santana, pink ice for the Twins. Marcelo Meyer, pink ice there for the Red Sox as well. Nice orange Pulsar there. Jose Canseco. Pack number 2. Pack number 2 here out of box number 2. We've got a Fireworks. Roman Anthony for the Red Sox Fireworks there. Edgar Martinez, silver for the Mariners. Pink ice, Gino Gruber for the Diamondbacks. And a Brock Porter, pink ice for the Rangers. Kevin, that was a nice Ellie. That really was. Nice pink ice Ellie. Congrats, Kevin. All right, pack number 3 here. Out of box number 2, we got a Kyle Manzardo, rookie there for the Guardians. Prismatic. Ralphie Velasquez. Prismatic. For your Guardians there. Carlos Beltran. Green. Bill Madlock, pink ice there for the Pirates. And a Chase Dollander, pink ice there for the Rockies as well. Pack number 4. A Carlos Beltran silver. Nice Carlos Beltran silver there. Harmon Killebrew. Orange Pulsar, 375 out of 399. On the Killebrew there. Very nice. Sharp card there for the Twins. Roman Anthony, pink ice there for the Red Sox. Jose Perdomo. Pink ice for the Braves. And we got some points. 250 points. We'll do a random for that, guys. Everyone's got a shot at the points. We'll do a random for the points. That'll be coming up directly after the break, so don't go anywhere, of course. We'll do a random here for the points. 250 points. Orange Pulsar there on the Killebrew. All right. Pack number 5 here. Got a hype. Kemp Alderman for the Marlins. Hype there. Silver. Jackson Chourio. Nice Chourio silver rookie there for the Brewers. That's really nice. That's really nice. Joe Mauer. Pink ice there for the Twins. And Starlin Kappa. Pink ice there as well for the Phillies. Ben Rice rookie there as well. All right, last pack here out of box number 2. Junior Caminero. Top tier rookie for the Rays. Nice Caminero silver. Moses Alou silver there. Pink ice. Andrew Walters there for the Guardians. And a Bryce Eldridge pink ice there for the Giants. All right, box number 3. Plastic coming off here. Box number 3. Get our packs out here. All right, empty box. right, here we go. Pack number 1, box number 3. Here we go. And we got a Yerstad green rookie for the Orioles. Real nice Heston there. Everson Pereira, orange Pulsar rookie for the Yanks. That's nice. 203 out of 399. Pink ice, Will Clark there for the Giants. And a pink ice, Reggie Jackson as well. Nolan Chenille, rookie for the Angels there too. Chenille, rookie for your Angels. Pack number 2. Prismatic Dylan Cruz. Nice prismatic Dylan Cruz there for the Nationals. J.D. Gonzalez silver for the Padres. Pink ice. Hanley Ramirez there for the Marlins. And a nice Mason Wynn pink ice rookie as well. All right, pack number 3 here. Pack number 3 here out of box number 3. Kyle Harrison, rookie for the Giants. Got a hype Tommy Troy for your Diamondbacks there. Silver, Carson Williams for the Rays, silver. Pink ice, Olivia Pichardo. We got a pink ice, Brooks Robinson for the Orioles there as well. Pack number 4. Silver, Colton Cowser for the Orioles, silver rookie. Gino Groover, orange Pulsar, Diamondbacks, 338 out of 399 there. Pink ice on the Acuna there for the Mets. We got a pink ice, Justin Crawford for the Phillies. And our auto out of box number 3, the Mariners. Emerson Hancock, sensational signatures, rookie auto. Congrats to Mariners. Very nice hit. Very nice. Real nice Emerson Hancock there. Sensational signatures, rookie auto. Very sharp hit. Congrats to the Mariners. Very sharp. Also had your Gino Groover there. Orange Pulsar there for the Diamondbacks. All right, pack number 5 here. Pack number 5. Spencer Jones, top tier there. Spencer Jones, silver. Cole Young for the Mariners. Pink ice. Juan Marichal in a pink ice. Evan Carter, pink ice rookie. Very nice hit there for the Rangers. Nice Evan Carter. Pink ice rookie. Very nice. Mason Wynn rookie there for the Cardinals as well. Real nice Evan Carter there. Last pack here, guys, out of box number 3. Last pack here out of box number 3. And a Fireworks. Roderick Arias. Silver, Jim Palmer for the Orioles. Nice silver Jim Palmer. Kyle Manzardo, pink ice, rookie for the Guardians. Tommy Lasorda, pink ice there as well. Another nice Evan Carter, rookie for the Rangers there also. All right, box number 4. Plastic coming off. Some quick housekeeping notes. All cards do ship. All cards do ship here at Cardboard Hobby. Also, cardboardhobby.com. We also have breaks filling on our website. Empty box. And we do keep our break schedule always up to date there as well. Here we go. Pack number 1, box number 4. All right, good luck, everybody. Here we go. Luke Little, rookie. Silver, Mark McGuire for the Cardinals, silver. Piggy, welcome, Piggy. Thank you for your support. We got Uribe for the Brewers, orange Pulsar rookie. That's number 388. out of 399. We got a Cal Ripken pink ice there for the Orioles. Nice Cal Ripken. Grady Sizemore pink ice there for the Guardians as well. Very nice orange Pulsar, your eBay rookie for the Brewers. All right, pack number 2 here. Pack number 2. We got a Prismatic Kendall George. Prismatic Kendall George there. We got a James Wood silver there for the Nationals. Pink ice. A.J. Smith-Shawver for the Braves. Grant Taylor pink ice there as well. Pack number 3. Pack number 3. Got a hype. Juan Bin Cho for the Cardinals. Hype. How about a green Rod Carew for the Twins? Green Prizm there. Sammy Stafura, pink ice for the Reds. Harry Ford, pink ice for the Mariners. Pack number 4. Everson Pereira, rookie for the Yanks. We got a silver. Rod Carew for the Twins, silver. Wow. Wow. How about that, Skeens? How about it? We got a Prismatic Skeens rookie out of 399. 322 out of 399. Wow, what a hit. What a hit. Pink ice Brady House for the Nationals. Ledbetter pink ice for the Rays. And our auto here, too. The Rangers, Dustin Harris. Sensational signatures auto for the Rangers. Wow, what a Skeens. Congrats to the Pirates. Wow. A Prismatic orange Pulsar. Skeens rookie. How about it for the Pirates? 322. 322 out of 399. My goodness, what a hit. Wow. What a hit for the Pirates. Congrats. My goodness. We also had your Dustin Harris sensational signatures auto there as well for the Rangers. Another very nice hit, too. All right, we got 2 packs left. Pack number 5 here. And we got a green Reggie Crawford for the Giants. Zanatello for the Red Sox. 42 out of 75. Real nice blue Pulsar there. Real nice Zanatello. Very nice. Pink ice Joe Jackson there as well for the Guardians. And we got a pink ice Roger Arias there. Junior Caminero for the Rays rookie also. Nice blue Pulsar there. On that Zanatello. All right, guys. Last pack. Here we go. Last pack. Here we go. And a Chase Hampton top tier. Silver. Ivan Rodriguez. Silver for the Rangers. Pink ice. Aiden Miller for the Phillies. And a pink ice Cam Collier for the Reds there as well. All right, we're going to do a hit recap here, guys. Plus, we do have our 250 Panini reward points that we're doing a random for. So let's run back to the hits here. Zanatello for the Red Sox. That's a blue Pulsar. That is 42 out of 75. Very nice hit for the Red Sox. Sensational signatures, Dustin Harris for the Rangers. Auto. Very nice hit for the Rangers. How about this Skeens? Prismatic Skeens rookie. Orange Pulsar, too. Orange Pulsar. 322 out of 399. How about it? What a Skeens. What a hit for the Pirates. What a hit. Uribe. Orange Pulsar rookie there for the Brewers. That's 388 out of 399. Diamondbacks, Gino Groover, Orange Pulsar, 338 out of 399. Sensational Signatures, rookie auto for the Mariners, Emerson Hancock. Very nice hit there for the Mariners. Orange Pulsar, Everson Pereira for the Yanks, rookie. That is 203 out of 399. Very nice hit for the Yanks. Harmon Killebrew for the Twins, Orange Pulsar there, 375 out of 399. Very nice hit for the Twins. Jose Canseco for the A's, Orange Pulsar, 268 out of 399. Very nice hit for the A's. Fireworks, Orange Pulsar, Gino Groover for the Diamondbacks, 143 out of 399. We had the Cardinals, Mason Wynn, Sensational Signatures, rookie auto. Very nice hit for the Cardinals. And Chase Hampton, Orange Pulsar, 307 out of 399. All right, guys, bear with me here. I'm going to set up our random for the points. Points random coming up, 250 Panini reward points. Yes, Kevin, we're doing that right now. Doing that right now, Kevin. Okay, we've got random.org up on the screen here, guys. And we've got all 30 MLB teams here. We do 5 clicks here at Cardboard Hobby, guys. After the 5th click, whichever team is on top will be the winner of the 250 Panini reward points. All right, guys, here we go. 5 clicks. Good luck, everybody. Here we go. 30 items, that's correct. There's 2 times. 3, 4. One more time. Good luck, everybody. And your 5th and final time. Congrats to your Athletics. The Oakland Athletics, the A's, congrats, you're the winner of the 250 Panini reward points. Congrats. Guys, I want to thank everybody so much for breaking. Really, really do appreciate it, guys. Once again, cardboardhobby.com. We do have breaks filling on our website. Don't miss out on those. Teams and spots are selling quickly. We do have a fantastic break schedule all throughout the rest of the week and Super Bowl weekend as well. Don't miss out on those. Thank you so much for all your support. Please be smart, be safe out there.